So you want to have your, or you have your online store, right? You want to change company info. First, you're gonna have to go to store settings. But before we get there, we're gonna have to click on edit website, select your website where you want to edit your company information. And here we're gonna have to click on store settings. So just select here store settings, please. And then from here, once you're here, please find or look for or click on company information. And then now you can change the name of your company, and you can put a logo here too. You can also add your phone number, your address. So this stuff, it shows up on invoice in emails, and when people buy something from you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.